When you come to a jeweler, you should be going to a one-stop shop. We can help turn their dreams into reality. That's what we do. I just love jewelry. I love finding our inventory, the estate deals that we have in our cases. I love buying diamonds and finding that perfect diamond for that perfect project. Federal Custom Jewelers is a full-service jeweler. We offer fine jewelry, but we also offer full custom design, expert repairs and restorations, and estate evaluations and appraisals. Our owner, Rene, he moved 9 times in his childhood. When he had an opportunity to buy a jewelry store, he not only saw an opportunity to buy a business, but it was also a way for him to have a family and build relationships in a way that he didn't get to have. And so it's very important for us to build relationships with our clients and build that sense of community. We sell very unusual antique and estate jewelry. We also sell rare and exotic colored gemstones from around the world. So we are kind of known as a destination jewelry store for collectors. Repairs are a major part of our business, but they take time to do right. We stand behind our repairs and we take pride in doing immaculate work. One of the things that makes Federal Custom Jewelers different is that we've really embraced technology to do custom designs on the computer and allowed us to move into the 21st century. We really want our clients to be confident when they come to Federal Custom Jewelers that they're coming to a place of expert knowledge. Collectively, we have 100 years of experience in the fine jewelry industry, and we can help you with any jewelry-related need. Shopping at Federal Custom Jewelers is a unique experience. We believe that people have to try pieces on. They have to know how it looks on them.
And jewelry is visual, it's comparative, and it's subjective. Thus, you know what you like when you see it. And we don't shortchange the experience in any way.
At the end of the day, we want to make sure that our clients are educated in making the best possible decision when it comes to their jewelry needs. We look forward to providing you the Federal Custom Jewelers experience. Feel free to browse our shop online or schedule an in-person consultation.